Good morning, friends. Good morning, and we known as the cultural rally, and we're going to the destination right there near St.Xavier'S house. And we are on our way. Students are coming, but I don't see much so far. It begins at 8 o'clock, so by the time the students, now it is 7:45. So let's see how this rally goes on today. It's a cultural rally. We'll see varieties of children coming with their cultural dresses, and it'll be wonderful. So chalo, let's go. So I am passing through this highway, and we're going to the place where we're going to have the cultural gathering, where from there we will march towards the school. So this is Irvine School. I don't know they have classes or not, but today I haven't, maybe they have already begun their summer break now. And look at the house, man, beautiful, just beautiful. I love the color. You know, it's not bright, it's not faded, it just looks just pleasant to the eyes. Then another lane is here going inside. This is a shortcut, so those who don't wear helmets, to avoid that junction there where the cops are always there, the riders, they take this shortcut and they can join into the Salbari road once again. So to tell you all that news, so here is the Shiv Mandir. Next to is a plot which belongs to James, and to my right side, this side, this is Rohit. I don't know, many of you remember him. He also is our ex-student, and this is the wine shop. Right, very close to my home, man. This wine shop is. Then we have this James house. Any one of you know James? This is home. Sangeeta, Mrs. Sangeeta's brother. And Uchal is working here, man. Look at this guy, yeah. I thought this guy is a lazy guy, you know, but early morning he's working very hard. It's good. You're not coming for the program? You'll come? Good. So here then there is a lane which goes towards Manas. So those who don't wear helmet, again they have this escape route, you know. They can go towards this Manas without the helmets. So guys, if you are coming without helmet, I should not tell you this is one way, okay? Just take a left turn when you reach this Manas nursery, and then you will definitely reach Manas without your helmet. Then we have a store here. This is a hardware store. I take all some things which I require, I take it from here. It belongs to this gentleman. He is an ex-army. He is operating this hardware store, and it looks he's doing well, man. Look at the cement bags. Trucks and trucks of cement bags come and they disappear. Now we find many students already approaching to this area where we are supposed to gather and have. Then this is Xavier's hostel. Let's just peep in, huh? Xavier's का hostel में देख सकते हैं. एक रूम है, यहाँ प्रिपेयर हो रहा है. मॉर्निंग, अरे ये है. यहाँ माइकल यहाँ पर है. Already he is rich here. Then here, Konok is our ex-student. Those who guys who don't know, you know. Some of you might don't know, he is our ex-student. And then this is his hostel. I will not go much inside because the hostel is like under preparation, you know, so we can't go into. So looks like this might be the resting place before the rally begins. So we are gathered here. So here, this is his hostel, and the drummers have come. We are all getting ready here. So we are still waiting for students to appear, and we are gathered here. So let's see by the time the program begins how many students will be able to reach here on time.
Not practicing, not tomorrow. Today you have to sing.
पहले हम लोग का स्कूल में पीयू पायल थे. अब यहाँ दो बहन आ गए हैं पीयू पायल जैसा दिखने वाले, है ना? अरे तेरा नाम बता यार. तेरा क्या नाम है? हिरानी. अच्छा, तेरा नाम क्या है? संगीता. ये देखो, ये ट्विंस तो नहीं है, लेकिन ड्रेस तो एक ही कपड़ा के पहन के आए हैं. बहुत कलरफुल दिखाई दे रहा है. ये देखो बोड़ो का धोती. देखो धोती कैसा पहना हुआ है यार. ये पहन लेना है बस ना, हाफ पैंट जैसा. ये लोग का जैकेट ऐसा है, ये इसका गला बांध है. मस्त ड्रेस है यार. पीछे तो कैसा दिखता है. अरे वाह यार, ये तो बाजार में मिल जाता है ना. ऐसा तो बाजार में मिल जाता है यार. हाँ छोड़ दो यार. देखो यार, बस ठीक है. ये बड़ा ड्रेस. तेरा नाम क्या है? हीरो. ठीक है. मैडम मोहिमा आगे. और सब मैडम तो पहुंच गए हैं. मैडम ने कोई नहीं है. दो मैडम है, दो मिस है यहाँ पर. अच्छा छेत्री, तू मैडम और मिस सब के बीच में क्या कर रहा है? भाग. सो हमारा रैली अभी रेडी होने में अब टाइम तो हो गया है. बच्चे सब अभी आ रही हैं, तो रैली स्टार्ट होने के जा रही है। यहाँ येलो हाउस के मेंबर्स खड़े हैं, उसके बाद इस तरफ में दिखाई दे रहा है रेड हाउस का है। रेड हाउस के बच्चे सब खड़े हुए हैं, धूप में यार पसीना निकल जा रहा है। थोड़ा देर के बाद बारिश गिरने वाली होगी शायद, इसलिए इतना गर्म आ रहा है। इसके बाद वी हैव दिस ब्लू हाउस हियर। ब्लू हाउस चिल्ड्रन आर गेटिंग रेडी, अरेंजिंग देमसेल्फ। Then the yellow greenhouse, and this is all greenhouse. So the rally is about to begin, and we need to go because the temperature is rising and rising. So let's see.
St. Xavier's School Manas hosts spirited cultural rally despite scorching heat. Manas, July 5th, 2026, the second day of the much-anticipated cultural and literary festival at St. Xavier's School Manas witnessed an inspiring display of school spirit as over 150 students and teachers took to the streets for a vibrant cultural rally. The procession commenced at 8 a.m. sharp, winding its way through the main road from Kuthurijhar to the school campus. Despite the unforgiving summer heat, the participants marched with infectious enthusiasm and unwavering zeal that left onlookers applauding their determination. Leading the rally with dignity and purpose were the school captain, Mr. Shwmungnang Wary, and Miss Dwijirii, whose presence galvanized the student body throughout the march. The initiative was conceptualized and launched by the school principal, Rev Father Thomas D'Silva, who envisioned the rally as more than just a ceremonial procession. According to the principal, the rally serves multiple significant purposes. In unity lies strength, and in culture lies our identity. Rev Father Thomas D'Silva quoted, "The march through the main road allows the school to connect with the local community, showcasing the vibrant talent and cultural richness of the institution. It also instills confidence. By participating in public events, students develop self-assurance and overcome stage fright, skills essential for their overall personality development. The rally reinforces the importance of preserving and promoting cultural traditions through creative expression. Marching in challenging weather conditions teaches students resilience, discipline, and the value of perseverance." What made this year's rally particularly remarkable was the participants' determination despite the soaring temperatures. The mercury had already begun its upward climb by 8 a.m. Yet not a single student faltered. The sight of students in their crisp uniforms, marching in perfect synchronization while chanting cultural slogans, was a testament to their dedication. The teachers, equally committed, walked alongside their students, ensuring safety and maintaining enthusiasm throughout the 1-kilometer stretch. The school's administration extends gratitude and appreciation to all who joined the rally. The entire school community extends heartfelt gratitude to each of the 150-plus students who participated in the rally. Your spirit in the face of adverse weather conditions exemplifies the true Xavier'ian character. Special appreciation goes to the school captain and Miss Dwijirii for their exemplary leadership, and to the teachers who sacrificed their comfort to guide the students.
Yeah, Marai!
While the turnout was impressive, Rev Father Thomas D'Silva envisions even greater participation in future editions. To draw more students, the school plans to encourage students to wear traditional attire representing India's diverse culture, maybe adding inter-house awards for the most creative banners, slogans, and performances during the rally. Also in the future, inviting parents to join the procession, creating a family-oriented celebration will be a greater attraction. Maybe a post-rally celebrations, organizing refreshment stalls and cultural performances immediately after the rally to maintain momentum. As the cultural and literary festival continues to unfold, today's rally has set a high benchmark for school spirit and cultural pride. St. Xavier's School Manas stands proud of its students who prove that neither scorching sun nor long distances can dampen the Xavier'ian spirit.